So, after getting the mold and the lotion and the bit, don't need those ones. Now you're just gonna take a little guy, scrape out all or any gunk underneath. Okay, and you see how there's still like a little bit of the moisturizer there? Just gonna take a little bit of the nail polish remover here and scrape the nail. Okay, so now what I like to do is I go in with a buffer, and it has file nail, remove ridges, smooth nail, and shine nail. So we're going to buff these babies. We will start with file nail. You just, I go side to side, and then I go up and down. Kind of just depends on where I am in the nail. But in between, we're also going to use this one. So I will get there when we get to remove ridges, because I feel that that's where it goes. So I'm just going to file the nail. Alright, so now we did, oh, this way. We did step 1. Now we're on step 2, which is remove ridges. And so what I like to do before I remove ridges is I just go along again one more time. And this one is the fine side, just to make sure that everything is all nice again, and the edges is not, or the edge is not, in my world I like to say angry, but so there's nothing I can catch, nothing like that. Just nice and smooth edge. And I do fine grit, and then I'll be back for extra fine. So now after that one, we want to go in with remove ridges, because in case we lifted up the edge, you'll be able to then just file it down and remove that ridge. It's very difficult doing it this way, like on the ground in front of the camera, but remove the ridges. See, I know that little edge is gone, and now we gotta work on it. All right, so we just removed ridges, and now we're going to smooth the nail. If you can see, it's already like getting shiny. So just by doing all these filing steps, you can shine your own nail. It doesn't have to be polished, but I like to do all the steps just so then it has like a good base. In case you want it as a base. Or you could just have it as your, how you're doing it. Okay, so now we're going to do shine nail. And the same step, just file. I like to do this way, and then I do this way. So like you make like a V sorta, so then you can get all the way in there. And you do this way. And then you do this way. And like that. And look, there's the shiny nail. Yay! Alright, the rest of them now. And then we'll be back for the next step. And there you go. So you can see how it's like shiny and stuff. So you could stop here and just have this be like the normal routine that you do, because this is how you're supposed to do it. I like to add polish, right? So we are now going to do, that'll I guess be part 2, but I'm going to add polish. I don't even know what yet, but we have a good base now. I do have these guys all ready to go, so Part 2 will be up here probably pretty shortly. But for now, this is where you could leave off if you wanted to.